In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove dye from leather armor in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. If you have dyed your leather armor and you want to return it to its original look, the process is very simple. In Minecraft, you can remove dye from leather armor by using a water-filled cauldron. This works for any dyed leather armor piece, including helmets, chest plates, leggings, and boots. Start by placing a cauldron on the ground. You can put it anywhere that is convenient for you. Once the cauldron is placed, fill it with water. Make sure there is water inside the cauldron before you try to clean the armor. If the cauldron is empty, the dye will not be removed. After that, equip or hold the dyed leather armor piece in your hand. It is important that you are holding the exact armor item you want to clean. This method only works on dyed leather armor, so if you are holding a different item, nothing useful will happen. Now move close to the water cauldron and right-click on it while holding the dyed leather armor. As soon as you do that, the dye will be removed from the armor. The item will return to its normal leather color. This is the standard way to clean dyed leather armor in the game. If you have more than one armor piece that you want to clean, repeat the same action for each one. Hold the next dyed leather armor piece in your hand. Then right-click the water cauldron again. You can continue this process until all of the dyed pieces have been cleared. Keep in mind that each cleaning action uses some of the water in the cauldron. If the water level gets too low or the cauldron becomes empty, fill it with water again before continuing. Then go back to holding the next dyed leather armor piece and use it on the cauldron just like before. To quickly review, place a cauldron, fill it with water, hold the dyed leather armor, and right-click the water cauldron to remove the dye. Then repeat the same process for any other dyed leather armor pieces you want to restore. That covers everything you need to know.